Hello everyone, this is the demonstration of our major project named Robot Control through Web Page, which is made by our team. Our team members are Ayush Rao, Bhavya Vyas and Chetan Soni. So we have made a robot which can be controlled through this web page. So we can send commands like forward, backward, left, right and stop from this web page to our board in order to move the bot in a different directions. So there are total 3 components which works in a synchronized way to make this happen. The first component is the web page only, through which we are sending commands, and the second component is the web server which accept this command from this web page. And also that web server is running on IPv6 address. Since it is running on IPv6 address, so that this web server is capable of receiving any commands from the internet, and our bot is in the local area network. So the purpose of this web server is that this web server will receive command from the internet and just forward that command to the bot which is in the local area network. So now what we are going to do, one of our team member Ayush, he is in a right now different city, and I am Chetan Soni in a different city. So I will share this IPv6 link to him so that he can open our web page in his computer, and then he will send the forward, backward, left, right and stop commands. And I am in a different city, so I will make a video of our bot, and both of these things are working in simultaneously. So now first of all, let's see the code in a brief way. So this is the code of our web page. So basically our web server is performing these simple functions like just forwarding the command which is received from the internet to our bot. So basically it is receiving a GET request from the IPv6 address, and we are fetching a query parameter robot. So this robot variable will have the values like FWD to move the bot in forward directions, REV to move the bot in reverse direction, and same for LFT for left, RGT for right and STP for stop. So after receiving this variable, after receiving the value of this variable, we are forwarding the value to this local IP, and this is the IP address of our robot, local IP. So we are just forwarding the value of this variable to the robot. Now you can see that in our run.py file we are running our web server on this IPv6 address at port 5000. Now let's see the working of our project. Now you will see our team member Ayush will try to control this robot from his location. Now he is connecting with our web server with the help of IPv6 address. So yeah, if he is pressing this forward button, so this motor start rotating in the forward directions. Similarly for this backward button, now he is pressing the right button, so you can see both the wheels are rotating in opposite directions to each other. Similarly for the left, and finally he is trying to stop the robot by pressing the stop button. So you can see our bot has stopped. Now these are the command that he sent, like FWD for forward, REV for reverse, RGT for right and LFT for left, similarly STP for stop. Thank you.